Sav at AirMart, Aircraft Sales and Brokerage. This is our Friday flyby. This week we are featuring a beautiful 2003 Beechcraft A36 Bonanza. In immaculate cosmetic and mechanical condition, this plane has only 1,360 hours total time since new, and only 260 hours on a PowerMaster major overhaul. This plane is about to go under the knife and get an avionics upgrade with newly installed Garmin GTN 750XI, GTN 650XI, a GTX 345 transponder for subscription-free weather and traffic, as well as a GMA 35 remote audio panel. All of this is backed up by the vulnerable KFC 225 autopilot. It's a 3-axis autopilot with altitude pre-select and yaw damper. This plane has no damage history, complete and consecutive logs since new, and is again in very, very nice cosmetic and mechanical condition. Thanks so much for watching.